Alright, today we're featuring a 2015 Nissan Frontier SV. Alright, it's night armor in color. It's got 43,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. It's a local trade out of Gastonia. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape here. Got the nice undercover hard to know cover. Alright, undercover is the brand. Okay, it is the hard to know cover. Chrome bumpers. It's got your tow hitch and trailer plug-in under here. Rear of the vehicle's in great shape. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here. Once again, it's a 2015, 43,000 miles. Okay, clean Carfax, 2 previous owners, local trade out of Gastonia. I believe it's a 2-wheel drive. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray on gray door panels, power windows, power locks. Got your power mirrors here. Alright, carpet's nice and clean. It's got the gray cloth seating, kind of the mesh pattern here in the insert. Driver's seat's in great shape. Got some center console storage here. USB, auxiliary, and power outlet there. Alright, it does come with a keyless entry key fob. Alright. Passenger seat cloth's in great shape. Alright, it is an automatic. 2-wheel drive. Got your climate controls here. Got a couple more power outlets over here on this side, right here. Okay. AM, FM, CD player. Got your cruise control on that side of the steering wheel. Steering wheel audio and Bluetooth on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 43,457 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Alright. Climate control area. Once again, got the automatic transmission. It is a 2-wheel drive. Alright, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels back here in great shape. Back seat carpet looks good, no staining back here. Back seat cloth's in great shape. No issues back here at all. Alright, it does have the window that you can open back here. Alright, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. Alright. Once again, it's got the hard to know cover. Alright, we'll go ahead and lift this up, let you take a look inside. Got the bed liner in there. Take a look at the wheels and tires. See, we've got 16-inch alloys. All right, tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, let me get on this side over here. You can get another view of it. Plenty of tread. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Nissan Frontier SV. All right, 43,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. The service record on this thing's awesome. It's a local trade out of Gastonia, 2-wheel drive. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.